I have here the Decorably black and white gold 3-ply cocktail napkins. There are 100 of them in the pack, and these instantly upgrade a table. They are so sleek, so elegant, and they're clearly meant to make even casual hosting look intentional. What I love about these, they are thick 3-ply quality that actually handles drinks and desserts without falling apart. I love the black and gold designs. They feel polished, not cheesy or overdone. There are 4 different patterns: hearts, flowers, stars, and then like the Bethlehem star here. These come neatly packed in groups. I opened them. So they're so easy to store and pull out as needed. Why you'd actually use these? Perfect for when you want to dispose of napkins without looking disposable. Cocktail hour, desserts, coffee stations, appetizer tables. These are so ideal for events where photos matter. You know, those birthdays, graduations, New Year's coming up, of course. These are so great to keep on hand for last minute hosting. So you're never stuck with plain, white, boring, ugly napkins. Bottom line, these are confidence napkins. The kind you pull out when you want guests to think that you planned ahead, even if you didn't, and I won't tell. These are clean, these are classy, these are effortlessly put together, okay? The opinions in this review are mine based on my real evaluation and use of the product. The product was provided by the brand.